Hi, today I'm going to show you a really easy soft pastel sky and a simple tropical landscape. The first thing I've done is given my sky a coat of white paint, and to that you can add a little bit of slow dry medium or retarder. This will give you a lot more time to work with your colours and stop them drying out, and it will help to give you a soft, even blend. The next step is to start adding my colours for the sky. I'm putting blue at the left hand side and making it slightly darker at the top, and then I'm adding my purples and pinks for my sunset clouds. Once we have the colours where we'd like them, we can come in with a mop brush or another soft fluffy brush if you have one, and we can gently buff and blend those colours together. It's going to be so much easier to do because the canvas is still wet underneath with our white paint. While the sky is drying, we can start working on the other parts of the landscape. I'm painting my ocean with powder blue in the distance, and then as I'm moving forward, I've added light blue, a little bit of phthalo blue, and a tiny amount of Prussian blue in the foreground. Now that the sky is dry, we can come in with a filbert brush or something similar and start building up the structure of our clouds. I'm going to keep them lighter on the left hand side and then use my really nice pinks and purples again to build up the colours on the right hand side. Use your brushes to soften and blend it together. You can also come in with your mop brush or fluffy brush again if you need to. the sand colour, I've used white with a tiny amount of Naples yellow and light pink added to it. I've mixed a lighter and a darker green for my palm trees, and I've made a grey colour for the trunk by just using some black and a little bit of light pink. These are the paints and colours that I've used today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.